Good morning, everyone. I would like to say happy birthday to Alexa and 1A and Greetus and 1A. You may stop by Miss Perez's office to receive your birthday gift after announcements.
Don't forget, turn in your enrollment forms for after-school clubs. You do not want to be left out.
This joke is from Millie in 3B. What did the tomato say to the other tomato? Catch up. Dream it.
Believe it.
Achieve it.
Now say it with us.
Dream it.
Believe it.
Achieve